Holmarc CRM series upright confocal micro-Raman spectrometer functions as an automated infinity confocal microscope equipped with a high-resolution spectrometer and a precision laser system. This setup enables researchers to perform detailed chemical analyses with exceptional spatial resolution and spectral accuracy. The versatile design of the upright confocal micro-Raman spectrometer includes a motorized objective turret that accommodates up to 6 different microscope objectives, an 8-slot automatic filter wheel, and a stereo binocular viewing head with a 5.0 MPC MOS camera. The spectrometer employs a Cherney-Turner configuration with aberration-corrected 400 mm focal length parabolic mirrors, coated with high reflective protected aluminium, to ensure optimal light throughput and spectral resolution across the entire wavelength range. An encoder-based grating rotation mechanism enhances spectral accuracy and repeatability, supporting comprehensive spectral analysis from 80 cm to the power of -1 to 8,000 cm to the power of -1. The Holmarc CRM series allows the integration of 2 additional lasers via a motorized stage and up to 5 external lasers through an external port, offering the flexibility to select excitation wavelengths for specific experimental needs. These upright confocal micro-Raman spectrometers are suitable for a wide range of applications, from fundamental studies of material properties to advanced research in biological sciences and nanotechnology. Their capabilities extend to Raman mapping, which provides spatially resolved chemical analysis and insights into distribution patterns and compositional variations within samples. Integrated environmental chambers enable precise control over experimental conditions such as temperature and pressure, facilitating studies on changes in Raman spectra that depend on temperature and pressure. Advanced measurement techniques, including polarized Raman spectroscopy and hyperspectral imaging, support detailed spectral mapping, giving researchers a comprehensive understanding of sample composition and structure. The system's compatibility with electrochemical flow cells allows for in situ chemical analysis of reactions, making it invaluable for studying dynamic processes under controlled electrochemical conditions. The CRM series includes both upright and inverted models of confocal micro-Raman spectrometers, addressing a wide array of research needs and sample types. These instruments provide precise and comprehensive insights essential for advancing experimental investigations. Holmarc, with a rich 30-year history, specializes in product customization, managing everything from design and prototyping to manufacturing in-house, ensuring tailored solutions for diverse application needs. Confocal micro-Raman spectrometers can be customized with different laser wavelengths and are available upon request. Detectors can be customized with options such as a line detector, a 2D detector, or various types including EMCCD, tailored to specific needs. We offer a selection of Raman accessories including polarization, temperature, pressure, electrochemical, hyperspectral imaging, upconversion measurements, PL measurements, and Raman shift measurement, among others. Holmarc CRM series upright confocal micro-Raman spectrometer. Holmarc manufactures a wide range of scientific instruments and devices for manufacturing, research, and education. Visit us at www.holmarc.com and contact us at sales@holmarc.com. Order your products now.